So for this question right here, it says which graph best represents the solution set of y is greater than 3x minus 4. Well, fortunately, this problem right here is already in slope-intercept form, which is the y equals mx plus b, where m is our slope and b is our y-intercept. The next thing you want to pay attention to is our inequality sign. Anytime you have greater than or less than, this is going to be a dashed or a dotted line. Anytime you have greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, this would be a solid line. This one right here happens to be greater than, so we know it's going to be a dashed line. So the very first thing I can do is cut out any graphs that have a solid line. So if you notice, equation A is a solid line, so it can't be A. On B, my graph has a solid line as well, so I know it cannot be that one. So now I've got to look at graph C and graph D. Anytime we have inequalities, one thing you can do is write your name on the line. I'm going to write it on both of these. So Mrs. Spray. This right here says it's greater than. When you have the greater than symbol, your name needs to be colored in. So you want to find the graph that has my name shaded. Well, if you notice on C, the shaded part is all down here. So that cannot be the graph. But if you look at D, my name is in the shaded part. Therefore, your answer on this one is D.